Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my nude lip glosses. I haven't made a video like this in a really long time. I think it's been almost a year now since I made my last nude lip gloss video, but we're here. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I make these two lip glosses, stay tuned. Okay, so I'm starting off by cleaning my table. I sprayed it down with some alcohol first, and now I'm just wiping it with some disinfectant wipes. My table was already clean, but I was like, I'm gonna clean it again just because it doesn't hurt to have it extra clean. And this tablecloth, I got it from the Dollar Tree. So I cut that in half because it was pretty big and my table's only 4 feet long. So I used that to cover up the table just to prevent any extra lip gloss or anything like that getting on my table. And then I taped it down on both edges to keep it secure. So the clip of me putting together this setup disappeared. I don't know, maybe I didn't record and I thought I was recording because I was filming on my phone this day and my phone was tripping. But yeah, those are the 3 colors I'm gonna be using today to make these lip glosses. I'm starting off by measuring out my pigment for the creme brulee lip gloss, which is the warm tone nude lip gloss that you guys seen at the beginning of the video. I'm also measuring out my white lip liquid. So the 2 colors that I'm using right now, they're called roasted chestnut and white lip liquid. Yeah, I think those are the 2 names. They're from TKB Trading. You guys can look for it if you guys want to make the same one, but I'm not gonna give you my measurements, so don't ask because they mine. But at least you guys will know the color so you guys can recreate a similar color if you guys are interested in doing that. But yeah, now that I'm done mixing up my pigment, I'm gonna add my lip gloss base to the same bowl, and I'm just measuring out the amount that I was making, which was I think about 8 ounces. I don't remember exactly now, but I had it written down on a piece of paper how much I was going to be making. And my base is already infused with coconut oil and vitamin E oil, so that's why you guys don't see me adding any of those sort of oils. It's the same exact base I sell on my website that's oil infused. And now that I have my lip gloss base and my lip liquid in the same exact bowl, I'm just mixing that together until everything is combined, and I'm making sure that I'm scraping the bottom of the bowl to make sure I get all the lip liquid mixed into it. And I'm just mixing it together. And this is the same consistency I use for my wholesale 8-ounce jars for my lip gloss base, for the lip gloss base that I sell you guys for my personal lip gloss, the same exact base. It's the consistency that I like. And now I'm making my vanilla latte lip gloss. This is the same lip gloss that I made in my original nude lip gloss video, but I was like, I'm gonna show you guys how I do it again. And now I'm adding in my white lip liquid first, which it's 3 parts white lip liquid and then 2 parts chocolate. I still use the same ratio that I used back then, but I was like, I'm just gonna show you guys how I make it anyways. And I'm just measuring out how much lip liquid I need for the lip gloss base. I'm just mixing up the pigment until it's completely combined. And then I'm adding in my lip gloss base. And then same thing, just mixing it together. Mix, mix, mix. I really wish I could mix this quickly because mixing is one of the longest parts when it comes to making the lip gloss. But yeah. So those colors are the 2 that we made today, which is vanilla latte and creme brulee. And now I'm adding in my flavoring oil, which vanilla latte is vanilla scented and then the creme brulee is cake batter scented. So the cake batter flavoring, it's a lot stronger, so I only needed 1 teaspoon. And then for the vanilla, I used 2. But yeah. But like I said, I'm not giving you guys exact measurements on how to make this, so don't necessarily follow along. I'm just showing you guys how I make my lip gloss and giving you guys some information on how I'm doing it. But yeah, this lip gloss smells so good. It literally smells just like cake batter, literally. It smells so good. And the vanilla is like a sweet vanilla scented. But yeah, I'm just mixing in the flavoring oil, making sure it's completely combined. But yeah, these are my new tubes, you guys. So cute. They're logo printed, so I feel super official. That's exciting. I don't have to worry about those annoying labels anymore. But yeah, I'm just gonna fill my syringe up. And this was my first time filling syringes and filling up lip gloss tubes in months. So you guys do not judge me because I feel like this video, it makes me cringe a little bit because I was kind of messy. But, you know, I still got the job done. And the lip glosses came out really cute at the end. So you guys can just watch me now fill the tubes because I know you guys like watching tubes being filled up like I do. That's why you guys are here. and of course how to learn. But yeah, so I'm just filling up my lip gloss tubes now, so you guys can just watch me do that, and I will be quiet and you guys can listen to whatever music I'm playing in the background now. Oh yeah, I did forget to mention that while I was filling up these tubes, I realized that I was struggling because the pipette that I was using wasn't the one that I was used to using. I actually got these pipettes for free when I ordered some lip gloss base, and they are shorter and wider than the pipettes that I'm used to using. So I was struggling because these tubes are also bigger. My new tubes are 15 ml squeeze tubes, and the old ones I used to use were 10 ml. So yeah, that's why I was struggling. But yeah, as you guys can see, the pipette that's at the bottom, it just looks different. I'm not used to that, so I got rid of it. And yeah, so when I was doing the vanilla latte, I wasn't struggling as much because the pipette was long enough to reach the bottom of the tube. But yeah, whenever it comes to running a business or making anything in general, it's always a learning curve. So I've been doing this for 2 years now, and I still always find myself learning something new or sometimes messing up. But it's not about being perfect. It's about continuing to try your best, your own personal best, and not compare yourself to others. So yeah, I feel like I did a good job. The end result of these lip glosses came out so cute, and the formulation is on point. So yeah, you can't tell me nothing. I'm just kidding. Like, I don't know why. I'm just trying to find words to say, but I did say I was gonna be quiet, so I'm gonna be quiet again so y'all could just watch the video. Yeah, my bad. Once I was done filling up my tubes, I went ahead and wiped off the tubes using alcohol and paper towel just to get off any of the excess lip gloss base that may be around the rim before I applied the tips and the caps. And I do wipe the tips and the caps off with alcohol as well, just to make sure everything is nice and clean and not sticky with any lip gloss all over it. If you guys did like this video, please make sure you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're new. And also, if you're not already following me on Instagram, don't forget to follow me on Instagram so you guys have all the updates for whenever these glosses get released, because they are not yet released. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you guys. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, you guys. They came out so cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.